What's going on, guys? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today is Thursday, April 23rd, and Google announced that they are going to be running out a Google Ads identity verification program. So here's the policy that they just pushed out, and you can skip this part. I want to get down to this part. So, as part of the initiative, advertisers will be required to complete a verification program in order to buy ads on our network. Advertisers will need to submit personal identification, business and corporation documents, or other information that proves who they are and the country they operate in. Beginning this summer, users will start to see disclosures that will list this information about the advertiser behind the ads that they're actually seeing. So, if you just go here, this is what they're talking about. So, let that refresh and you'll see it pop up. So when you hover over it, it'll say about this advertiser. Okay, so what they're looking for here is transparency. I think they've been going towards this route more and more. If you look at Google local service ads or Google Guarantee, whatever you want to call it, they're going towards this route where they are your preferred supplier of information or of vetted information. And what they're doing here is, in my opinion, getting rid of the lead gen companies that are selling leads via the Google Ads platform. So they may make up a website or make up a brand and advertise for that brand in market and then turn around and sell those ads or sell those leads. This program is going to get rid of those folks. So starting in the summer, when you sign up for a new Google Ads account, you're going to have to verify who you are and where you operate. So according to this, it said personal identification and business and corporation documents. So if you're a roofing company in Des Moines, you're probably going to have to submit your incorporation documents and maybe a license, something like that. But this is just another step in the trend of, as they put it, increasing transparency. But from my perspective, we're a Google Premier Partner, and the trends I'm seeing are Google local service ads, Google Guaranteed, and now this. Google's trying to flush out scammers in the market, nefarious operators in the market, and really just bring out the quality from their platform. And I think this is a good thing. I think it'll clean up a lot of the traffic, get rid of a lot of shadier lead brokers, lead dealers, paper lead type folks out of the space. So I'm okay with this. I think this is not a bad thing. And yeah, I just want to throw this out there, let you guys know what's happening. Jason from our private Facebook group threw this up. He threw up an article as it was announced, and I want to give Jason props. Jason linked to this article in our group and just did a little bit of research, reached out to our reps at Google who confirmed that this is happening. That's it. That's all I got today. Just want to give you guys an update that they're going to be rolling out a Google identity verification program, or an advertiser identity verification program. So that's it. That's all I got. Just want to give you a little bit of news. Hope this helps, and I hope you guys have a great day. See you guys. Bye.